Hey there guys, James Kane from Garland Shelton Nissan here, and today I got a 2021 Nissan Versa. Now we don't have a lot of these. These are in very high demand due to the great gas mileage they got. So if you've been looking for one, I'd stop this video now and come down to Garland Shelton Nissan. Anyways, let's get to the vehicle. This is going to be a 1.6 liter four-cylinder pushing 122 horsepower. You're going to get upwards of 38 miles to the gallon. It's only a 12-gallon tank, so it's going to cost little to nothing to fill up. This vehicle is also going to be certified. What certified means is going to get a 7-year, 100,000 extension on the manufactured powertrain from first in service date. And you get 2 guaranteed keys instead of special rates. Because it is certified, you could get financed through NEMAC with special rates with approved credit, of course, as well as your first 2 oil changes are covered by Nissan themselves. Just a little throw in for getting a CPO. Now, of course, this vehicle does come with a backup camera. You got Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You have a full digital display that is touchscreen, which is pretty amazing. You're also going to have lane departure warnings. So it's going to let you know when you're going over the lane. You're also going to have a forward collision warning, so it'll let you know when a car suddenly stops. That way you can have time to either slow down or merge lanes, as well as rear cross traffic alert, which is my favorite. It'll let you know when a car is coming from either direction behind you. Even if you can't see, your vehicle will be able to sense that vehicle and let you know what direction they're coming from. And much, much more. I'd love to go over more detail of this vehicle. We only got one here, so of course, if you or you know anybody that's looking for a Versa, feel free to reach out to 254-322-0084 or stop by Garland Shelton Nissan. Ask for your boy James. Let's get you in a car today. Thank you.